dear teacher. My name is Adnan Khalid, and I would like to be a police officer. And police officers are look like this. I would like to be a police officer because I want to serve my community. I want to serve my community, and I also want to challenge myself. I want to check my abilities too. That what can I do and what I don't. So this is the stuff that police officers can use in their job. This is gun, and as you see, this is cap, gloves, and they use gloves, police officers, because they don't want their own fingerprints on any instrument that criminals use in a possible crime. So they use gloves. Yeah, that's the introduction of the police officer. Next slide. Why I am interested? I like to be a police officer because I like to challenge myself. And police officers, I like police officers because they have like different personality and they are very concerned about discipline. It also can be very dangerous to be a police officer because sometimes you have to chase many different tasks and sometimes you have to pursue your criminals and it's also can be very dangerous. And here you can see a police officer like stopping a car, maybe he did something wrong, so violate a rule. And here the instrument, the same instrument is also used by criminals and the police officer, so that's why it's also it can be dangerous to be a police officer. Next slide. Responsibilities. To be a police officer, they have to do a lot of jobs, many things. They have a lot of responsibilities. Like they respond to radio calls, investigation crimes. They also respond to emergency calls. Like we all know, if we are in emergency or we have any problem, we call 911. That's they do. Like as you can see in this picture, they are grabbing a person. Maybe he is a criminal or he did something wrong. So he is taken to a police station to charge him. And the same thing in the other one. And the police officer also watches the suspicious car, curfew violators, and wanted prisoners make arrested for violation of laws and ordinance. Next slide. Requirements. To be a police officer, you must be a US citizen and you must have a high school diploma, at least 2 years of college, ability to analyze situation and adopt an effective course of action, and skill to observe and skill in observation and memory of place and person. Like if you met with someone and you're not supposed to forget him, you need to remember him. Like and ability to make sound decision right away. Like if I see something and I should be able to make right decision. There is no chance for a mistake for a policeman because it's like a very big responsibility. Next, this is a line plot of education. Different careers, like 11 careers. Each star represents a career, and the numbers down there is representing the years of college. Like one of our friend is like going to be a janitor, so he doesn't need actually any years of college. Like there's only one career who doesn't need any college, and there's like 4 careers who need 2 or 3 years of colleges. Like chef, if you want to be a chef, you need to go to 2 years of college, and it's also police officers. They also need to go to the college for 2 years. But if you want to be a chief or if you want to be a FBI agent, you can have a diploma, you can have a master's degree, and you can do bachelor's degree to up your rank. Then you become a FBI agent and a chief. And there is like only one career which is a doctor. They need 11 years of college, and this is an engineer who needs 7 years of college. Next slide. There is a histogram of hours worked per week. Each green bar is representing one career, and the orange bar is representing 2 careers. There is one career like professional athletes. They work 25 hours in a week, and teachers and nurses they work 35 to 40 hours per week, and police officers and lawyers they work 40 hours. Engineers they work 35 hours. Doctors they work 45, and chefs they work 50 hours in a week. Next slide. This is a bar graph weekly earning. There is like 5 different careers. Nurses can earn $900 per week, and chef can earn $1,000 per week. Teachers can earn more than $1,500 per week, and as the same police. But the police it also depends on your position. Like if you are a chief, you can earn more. If you are a FBI agent, you can earn more. Like this is like you can see the cops who are patrolling on the road looking for infraction. Those are for $1,500 for those. And lawyers make a lot of money per week. They make like $3,000 per week. Next slide. This is a pictograph of 5 states with highest concentration of police employment. As you can see, this is states of Alabama. They have 10,810 police officers. And here you can see Maryland, they have 15,650 police officers. The least is Mississippi, states of Mississippi, they have 7,320. And the New Jersey, they have 22,340 police officers. And the most, where I would like to go in New York, because they have the most employment, because they have 54,408 employment. Next slide. This is me when I was in Pakistan. And this is me.